Good evening. Good evening to all. Yeah. Good evening. Satvika, place a message in the group that the class already started. Akansha is not there in the class. Good evening, Manoj. Yesterday we have discussed up to 15 problems. Problem number 16. The mean weight of 9 students is 25 kgs. If one more student is joined in the group, the mean unaltered. Unaltered means there is no change in the mean. Then the weight of 10th student is. This is the question. The mean weight of 9 students is 25. If one more student is joined in the group, the mean is unaltered, means there is no change in the mean value. Unaltered means even though one student is increased, there is no change in the mean value. Then the weight of the 10th student is. Okay, na? So let us start today's class with this problem. Mean of 9 students is 25. That means sigma fx by 9 is 25. Sigma fx by 9 is 25. Then sigma fx is equal to 25 nines are 25 9s are 25 8s are 200, 25 9s are 225. Now one more student is added to that. Then number of observations becomes 10. But mean doesn't change, 25 only. Even though the number of observations changes, mean doesn't change, 25 only. So that means again sigma fx by 10 is 25. Okay na? Now sigma fx is 25 into 10, 250. 250. Now what is this? Sum of the weights of 9 students. Sum of weights of 9 students. 225. And sum of weights of 10 students. 250. If you subtract both, so weight of 10th student or 10th observation is sum of weights of 10 students minus sum of weights of 9 students, which is 25. అంటే ఈ 10th వాడు ఎవడైతే కొత్తగా జాయిన్ అయ్యాడో వాడి వెయిట్ 25 kgs అన్నమాట. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. మరి ఈ 250 ఏమిటి? సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది వెయిట్స్ ఆఫ్ 10 స్టూడెంట్స్. నాకు కొత్తగా జాయిన్ అయిన 10th స్టూడెంట్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ కావాలి అంటే వాడి వెయిట్ ఎంతో కావాలి. 250 minus 225 which is 25. Okay na? Next question. 17th question. The probability expressed as the percentage of a particular occurrence can never be less than 100, less than 0, greater than 1, anything but a whole number. What is the answer? The probability expressed as the percent of a particular occurrence can never be less than 100, less than 0, greater than 1, anything but a whole number. What is the answer? Anyone? Answer A, less than 100. Answer A, less than 100. Less than 0 ఉండదు probability ఎప్పుడు. Greater than 1 ఉండదు. Anything but a whole number కూడా కాదు. So answer less than 100. Percentage is always less than 100. That is what you have to understand. Percentage is always less than 100. Next question. A single letter is selected. Suppose మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను. What is the probability of getting a face card? Probability of getting a face card. A deck of cards from the deck of cards అన్న అనుకో. ఫేస్ కార్డ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? ఈచ్ షేప్లో 3 ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? సో అంటే 3 4s are 12. 12 by 52. 12 by 52 అంటే 12 by 52 అంటే 4 3s are 4 13s are 4 3s are 4 13s are అంటే 3 by 13. దాన్ని పర్సంటేజ్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. సో ఆ పర్సంటేజ్ అనేది ఆల్వేస్ లెస్ దాన్ 100 ఉంటుంది. అది దాని అర్థం. ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎనీథింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. A single letter is selected at random from the word probability. The probability that the selected letter is a vowel oval. Answer 4 by 11. Sanvi, how many ovals are there? How many ovals are there in total in the word probability? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, na? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 11. 4 by 11. Next question. I think 20 by 3 comma 5 is the midpoint of line segment joining the points minus 6 comma 7 minus 2 comma 3. Then the value of m is, m by 3 comma 5. M by 3 comma 5 is the midpoint of m by 3 comma 5 is the midpoint of negative 6 comma 7 minus 2 comma 3. Negative 6 comma 7 minus 2 comma 3. This is the midpoint of these 2 points that is given. Let it be A, B, and name this one as P. P is the midpoint of AB, and we need to find out the value of M. So x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to m by 3. y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 5. So leave about this one, because 7 plus 3 10, 10 by 2 5, that is right. Now think about this one. Negative 8 by 2 is m by 3 force. Negative 4 is negative m by 3. Then m is equal to negative 12. M is equal to negative 12. Once again, m by 3 comma 5 is the midpoint of these 2 points. It is the midpoint of these 2 points. Okay, na? Then x1 plus x2 by 2 is m by 3. y1 plus y2 by 2 is 5. That is what you have to understand. So m value negative 12. Next question. Two root 3 is an integer, a rational number, an irrational number, a whole number. 2 root 3 is an integer, a rational number, an irrational number, a whole number. Which is right? 2 root 3. 2 root 3 is an irrational number, right? Option C is right. It is an irrational number. Okay, na? Now, objective type questions are done. Now, section B. There is a triangle . P, Q, R, A, B, C. So these two are parallel and these two are parallel. 15, 20, 12, 15. Okay. Calculate PC and BR. Calculate PC and BR. This one and this one. Calculate PC and BR. Okay na? Now tell me how to do it. Anyone? Consider triangle QPR. Ila chudandi. QPR. CA parallel to PR. CA parallel to PR. Then QA by AR is equal to QC by CP by basic proportionality theorem. QA by AR is equal to QC by CP by basic proportionality theorem. 12 by 20 is equal to 15 by X. Okay na? Now do cross multiplication. 12x is equal to 20 into 15. X is equal to 20 into 15 by 12. Yeah. 4 3s are 4 5s are 3 5s are 25. So X value 25 means PC is 25. Okay na? Now again CB parallel to QR. CB parallel to QR. Again by basic proportionality theorem, PC by CQ is equal to PB by BR. You can get the value of Y, that is BR. CB parallel to QR. Then by basic proportionality theorem, PC by CQ is equal to PB by BR. So 25 by 15 is equal to 15 by Y. If we do cross multiplication, 25y is equal to 225, y is equal to 225 by 25, which is 9. So this value is 9. BR is 9. Okay children, value of BR is 9. Application of basic proportionality theorem. Next question. Question number 22. In the given figure, so there is a circle and there is a tangent. Diameter AOB diameter. This is Q and this is 58 degree. This is T. Okay, what he is asking? Find ATQ. ATQ. This angle is asking. Yeah. Angle ATQ is asking. Any idea? Angle ATQ. See children, here angle AOQ is central angle. AOQ is central angle and ABQ is inscribed angle. AOQ is central angle, ABQ is inscribed angle. So If this is 58, this is 29. Okay na? 58 and that is 29. Now, if you observe triangle BAT, it is a right angle triangle because AT is tangent at A to the circle with center O. AT is tangent at A to the circle with center at O. Then x is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 29. 180 minus 90 plus 29. Okay na? So 180 minus 119. 61 degree. So value of x is 61 degree. Okay na? So today only few are joined because of English exam. Preparing English exam well. Is that right? Only 8 people are there in the class. In that only 2 are responding. Cos 45 plus secant 30 plus 1 by secant 60. Cos 45 secant 30 plus 1 by secant 60. Okay na? Cos 45 1 by root 2 secant 30 2 by root 3 secant 60 2. సో ఇంతవరకు బాగానే ఇస్తారు అందరూ. ఇక్కడ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ వచ్చేసరికి ఇబ్బంది పడుతుంది. ఏం చేయాలి ఇది తర్వాత తెలియదు. ఏం చేయాలి ముందు ఇక్కడ ముందు దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేయాలి. ఈ పార్ట్ ఇది ఎలా ఉంది? a బై b బై c బై d లా ఉంది. అంటే ఈ a బై b అలానే ఉంటుంది ఇంటూ ఈ c బై d రివర్స్ అవుతుంది ప్లస్ 1 బై 2 బై రూట్ 3 కాస్త రూట్ 3 బై 2. ఓకేనా? లేదా ఇంకో చిన్న చిట్కా కూడా ఉంది. ఏమిటది? కాసేపు ఈ వాల్యూలు ఇలా తీసేసి ఇలా చూడండి. cos 45 ఇంటూ 1 బై secant 30 ని cos 30 రాయొచ్చు. అలాగే 1 బై secant 60 ని cos 60 రాయొచ్చు. అంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ని మనం ఇలా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ట్రిగ్నామెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్ మీద కొంచెం అవగాహన ఉంటే కొంచెం అవగాహన ఉంటే మీకు cos 45 1 by secant 30 you can write it as cos 30 plus 1 by secant 60 you can write it as cos 60. Now values 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1 by 2. Now root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2. LCM 2 root 2. LCM 2 root 2. So here root 3 plus root 3 plus root 2 on the numerator. Okay. Now rationalize the denominator. So root 3 into root 2, root 6, root 2 into root 2, 2 by 2 into 2, this becomes 4. So this is the answer. Root 6 plus 2 by 4. అయితే ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వేస్తారు నాకు. ఏమిటది? సార్ ఆన్సరు ఇలా వదిలేస్తే మార్కులు ఇస్తాడా ఇవ్వడా? ఎందుకు ఇవ్వడు? ఒక హాఫ్ మార్క్ తీసేసి మిగతా మార్క్స్ అన్ని ఇస్తారు, 1.5 ఇస్తారు. యాక్చువల్గా ఇలాగే చేయాలి. నువ్వు ఇక్కడతో వదిలేసావు అనుకో, యూ టేక్అవుట్ హాఫ్ మార్క్. కొంతమంది హాఫ్ మార్క్ తీసేస్తారు, కొంతమంది అయితే పర్వాలేదులే బాగానే చేశారు కదా, ఆలోచన ఉంది కదా, ఫుల్ మార్క్స్ ఇస్తారు. కానీ హాఫ్ మార్క్ తీసేయడానికి ఎక్కువ ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, ప్రాబబిలిటీ దాటాలి. సో ఇంతవరకు చేయాల్సిందే. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. A box contains 12 balls, of which some are red balls. Total balls, total number of balls 12. Number of red balls x. Then probability of drawing a red ball is x by 12. Okay na? Yeah, you can simplify further. Okay na? అంటే సింప్లిఫై చేయాలి యాక్చువల్గా. కొంతమంది చేయరు, అంతవరకు చేసి వదిలేస్తారు. √3 + √2/2 √2 అది కూడా రాంగ్ ఏం కాదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రాంగ్, దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో రైట్. కొంతమంది చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, పూర్తిగా కింద డినామినేటర్లో ఇర్రేషనల్ నెంబర్ ఉండకుండా రేషనల్ నెంబర్ ఉంచుదాం అనుకుంటే ఇంకా ఫర్దర్గా సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేయొచ్చు. నౌ if 6 more red balls are put in the box and a ball is drawn at random, the probability of drawing a red ball doubles than what it was before. ఇప్పుడు 6 red balls are added. ఇప్పుడు total number of balls ఎన్ని? If 6 red balls are added in the box, అప్పుడు total balls 18 అవుతుంది. Red balls x + 6 అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు probability of drawing a red ball x + 6/18. సో ఇదిట ఇంత ముందు ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబబిలిటీకి 3 టైమ్స్ ఉంటుంది. అది క్వశ్చన్. ఓకేనా? డబుల్స్, నాట్ 3 టైమ్స్, డబుల్స్. Double. Then what before? Then find the number of red balls in the box. Okay na? ఇప్పుడు ఏంటవుతుంది? ఇది 6 టైమ్స్ పోతుంది. అలాగే ఇది కూడా క్యాన్సిల్. 6 1s are 6 3s are. So in total here it becomes x plus 6/3 is equal to x. ఇంతే కదా? x plus 6/3 is equal to x. ఇది వెళ్తే 3x is equal to x plus 6. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So total number of red balls in the box, total number of red balls in the box is 3. Okay na? Out of 12, 3 are red balls and 9 are non-red balls. Next question. Our question. Two different dice are tossed together. Find the probability that the number on each die is even. Number on each die is even. Even రావాలట. అంటే 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6. 6, 2, 6, 4, 6, 6. 1 తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వం because 1 is even odd number. 3 తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వం, 5 తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వం. So these are the even numbers on both the dice. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి మొత్తం? 1, 2, 3, 3 3s are 9. 9 out of 36. There are 9 outcomes in favor of our event. There are 9 outcomes in favor of our event out of 36. So 1 by 4 is the answer. 6 by 12 ఎందుకు అవుతుంది? Two dice అన్నాడు కదా. 2 dice అంటే 36 possibilities. 2 dice అంటే 36 possibilities అది అజిస్తా, not 12. Next, the sum of numbers appearing on 2 dice is 5. Sum of numbers is 5 over 5. So ఏమేమి వస్తాయి? ఛాన్స్ ఏమిటి ఉంటుంది? 5 అవడానికి ఛాన్స్ 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, ఇంకా 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 5. ఇంకా is there any other? No. So 4 out of 36. 4 out of 36. 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Next question, last question in that section. In the given figure, G is the midpoint of PQ of triangle PQR and GH is parallel to QR. Prove that H is the midpoint of PR of the triangle PQR. PQR. GH parallel to QR. Not only that, PG is equal to GQ. This is given. G is the midpoint of PQ is given. This is given in triangle PQR. Now required to prove is we need to prove PH is equal to HR. That is H is midpoint of PR. This is what we have to prove. Okay. Now proof. Children, consider triangle PQR. GH parallel to QR given, then by basic proportionality theorem, PG by GQ is equal to PH by HR. PG by GQ is equal to PH by HR. But this is given. PG and GQ both are equal. That is given. That means their ratio is 1. This is 1. So which implies PH by HR is 1. Then PH is equal to HR. PH is equal to HR. Okay na? That means H is the midpoint of PR. H is the midpoint of PR. Okay children? There is an internal choice question. In the same question, we will see that triangle ABC X and Y are the points on AB and AC. Such that AX by AB, AX by XB is 3 by 4. AY is 5. YC is 9. Then state whether XY is parallel to BC or not. Yeah, certainly. See, AX by XB 3 by 4 is given. Then AY by YC is 5 by 9. AX by XB is not equal to AY by YC. The ratios are not equal. Then you cannot say that X and Y are parallel. They are not parallel to each other. Ratios equal kaadu kabatti the line XY is not parallel to BC. It is not parallel to BC because the ratios are not equal. Okay, na? So section B is over. Section C we will see it on Monday evening, children. We will see it on Monday evening. Okay. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad. Prepare well for English. Tomorrow you don't have class. Prepare well. Write well. All the best for your English exam. Bye bye. All the best, children. Good.